Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Story Time for October 28th, 2024, Part 1. This week's theme is Halloween. A Spoonful of Frogs, written by Casey Lyall, illustrated by Weir. A witch's favorite treat is frog soup. It's easy to make and healthy too. Start by placing your cauldron over the fire. Fill it with water. Add a pinch of salt, a sprinkle of pepper, and 22 cloves of garlic. Chop up 6 potatoes and 3 carrots. Toss them into the cauldron. Mix in a cup of fly extract. The last and most important ingredient is a spoonful of frogs. This will add a kick of flavor and a pop of color. Place the frogs on the spoon. Boing. Grab the frogs and put them on the spoon. Get the frogs. Put them on the spoon. Find the frogs and place them on the spoon. Scoop up the frogs with the spoon. Chase the frogs. Trap them in a pot. Tip them out onto the spoon. Put the spoon on the frogs. Slide the frogs onto the spoon. Get another spoon. Use 2 spoons to scoop up the frogs. Boing. Put the frogs on. Put the frogs, honk, 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 on the spoon. Aha! Put the frogs on the spoon. Slip. Frogs! Pickles. Pickles are an acceptable substitute for frogs in this recipe. Add a spoonful of pickles. Stir well. Bring the soup to a boil for 1 hour and then serve hot. Enjoy with friends. The end. We're going to make a witch's cauldron of frog soup. And your craft to go kit is a cauldron and a frog, and you can see definitely the glitter. And what you'll need for this is crayons, markers, paints, coloring pencils, whatever you want. I'm going to use my tempera paint sticks. Just because I think they'll be easier to use. And then if you don't use regular wet paint, you'll need glue. And that will hold the glitter on. So the first thing I'm going to do is wipe the glitter off of everything. That's the only thing with glitter, is it gets everywhere. Which you'll find out if you do this. I'm just going to paint the cauldron, and I'm going to paint the soup inside. I'm going to make that light green. And I'm going to make my frog dark green. But right now I'm just going to use the black to paint the cauldron. And you can put the glitter wherever you want. I think I'm going to put mine in the soup to make it look magical. But you can put it on the cauldron if you prefer. So I'm just going to go ahead and take care of this, and then I'll come back and we'll put the glitter on. My cauldron and frog are all painted. Now I'm just going to put some glue in my soup. Doesn't want to come out. Getting it stuck to my fingers. Now I'm gonna just put some glitter on. I'm gonna use my fingers and just sprinkle it on. And then I just shake it off. And you can see the glitter on there. And I'm gonna glue my frog right in the pot. So I just need a little more glue. And stick him on there. And now I have my frog in my cauldron of frog soup. It looks like some glitter got stuck to the cauldron too, but that's okay. It looks pretty. And that's all there is to it.